Quidax is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. If you're looking to make money on Quidax, there are several methods you can explore. Crypto trading. Quidax allows you to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. By analyzing the market and identifying price trends, you can buy coins when the price is low and sell them when the price increases. Develop a trading strategy, such as day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. By purchasing cryptocurrencies at a lower price and selling them at a higher price, you can make a profit. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies in Quidax allow you to stake them. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency to support the network and earn rewards in the form of additional coins. You can earn passive income through staking by holding certain coins on the platform and receiving rewards based on the amount and duration of your staked assets. Referral program. Quidax offers a referral program where you can earn a commission for referring new users to the platform. Share your referral link, and when someone signs up and trades on the platform, you earn a percentage of their fees.